Hi Stephanie, I'm going to go over real quick how to manage the back end of your site. So as you can see, I'm in the link that you sent me on the top here. It's just your website / administrator. I'm going to log in. You have your own login, which I emailed you. Okay, so now I'm in the back end. So real easy. I made a link right here for you. Just look for the star portfolio. That's probably where you're going to be spending most of your time, and that's what you're going to organize for now. So this is basically, these are all the portfolio categories or folders, whatever you want to call them, of portfolio. So they should look just like that. Okay. If you want to add a new one, okay, click New Gallery. I'll go down to the bottom. I'm going to drag it over. Okay, so this way it's under portfolio. I'm going to rename it, whatever, enter, or just click outside. And then I can organize it wherever I want it to be, and that's where it's going to display. Okay. Should I decide that I want to add photos to that, I'm clicking on it, so I can click and see, the other galleries. But let's say I'm going to click on whatever is my new gallery. I'm going to bring this over here. So you see, this is the images. I'm off screen, but whatever. So I'm going to take these images. I'm going to drag over here. Okay. See them all uploading. Nice check mark means they're done. So we're talking about the order. So let's say I don't like the order. I want this one first. You can see it has a little drag and drop feature. So I'm going to take this, and let's say I want it the first image. Boom, over there. Now it's a first. I want this in between these guys. Sometimes you gotta like shake it and move it around a little bit. But this is, again, this is the best, easiest to use system available. Is it perfect? No, but it's still a lot better than trying to order them manually or by title or name or things like that. So drag and drop is a nice feature. You can just move it over. See, it didn't go. Okay, that time it did. It didn't go. Okay, there. See, now I made it go. I want this one over here. Boom, there it goes. So just try and like wiggle it around a little bit wherever you want to go, and usually it'll move. And that's it. You don't have to save it. It's done with Ajax. So it's pretty cool stuff. So there's my new gallery. If I want to delete image, okay, I can click on the image. See, this one's a little bit darker. That means that's the one that's clicked on. Now go over here and delete selected images. Confirm, yes. If I want to delete many of them, I'm going to basically hold Control, okay, Control, and I'm going to, sorry about that, I'm zooming my computer. I'm going to hold Control and click on the image. I scroll down, Control, click on the image. I selected all my images, and I'm going to hit delete. Sure you want to delete? Yes. Bam. They're all gone. So whatever's empty. I want to delete this. Nice trash can. If you want to delete whatever, I do. Okay? So the same goes for the rest of these. If you want to go in here, just drag and drop wherever you want them to be. I want this one over here, this one over here, up here. That doesn't matter. I'm putting this back one where it was. And then it'll go. Okay? So that's basically it for gallery. For 1 second. Okay, there we are. So I added two more menu items up here for you. So if I go to pages, just in case you need to do something real quick and I'm not available for whatever reason, these are pretty easy to edit here. I'm going to go to the about page. Okay, this is the text that you added. So you have a nice little, what they call like a what you see is what you get editor up here. So you can make some text edits. You don't have any really custom formatting inside here. It's all done with CSS. So even though it looks like this here, if I go to the about page, it's going to look different. Okay, so the font's going to be different, all that. That's done with CSS. But anyways, you can make some quick font edits. If you want to change the image, you can upload the image here. You can disregard image gallery, media, extra fields, and attachments. We're not using any of those. This is just what they call a construction kit, and it makes it easier for users like yourself to be able to edit the articles. So you can, if I made changes, I can save and close. If I want, I can just save it, or right now I didn't want to change anything, so cancel. Okay, I'm going quick, but just to introduce you to kind of some of this stuff. Services, that's your services page. So right now I made the changes, so it's very brief, but you can see here this is just bold. Okay, it's easy. This isn't bold, and you can edit accordingly. So that's it for pages, just for by chance if you need to do that. This portfolio obviously is not the same as this portfolio. This is where you want to make the image changes. Last part we're going to go over is testimonials. So testimonials, you have right here, and that, again, another great system. So if you want to edit this, you can just click on their name. You can use this email. Emails are a required field when someone leaves it on the front end. I just put test at Green by Design Marketing, but you can basically put whatever you want there. Since you're the admin, it's not checking anything for spam. You can edit the testimonial. This is plain text, and that's pretty much it. So let's say if I want to add a new one, and click on new. Love received is the category. You only have one. Name, John Doe. Email, you can use test at Green by Design Marketing if you want, or use your own email. No one will see that. We're going to disregard these because we're not using them yet. 5-star rating I think is good. Some text. And publish means that it's visible on the front end. Okay, so if you're still working on it, you can leave it as unpublished and save and close. And then on the testimonials page, I have my screen really small so it has an odd menu. Sorry, love received. Okay, so love received, you see it's not visible. Okay, it's not visible currently. Sorry, this is my code. But if I go to it and I now see this is red, it's not published. If I click published, then boom, John Doe. There's a testimonial. So again, I'm going to unpublish it. That's red. Go down. I refresh the page, and John Doe is gone. Okay, so I'm just going to delete that because it's trash. So trash, and it's gone. Okay, so that easy. Hope you enjoy. Any questions, let me know.